Yo, what is going on? Instagram, YouTube fam. I hope you guys like this video that I'm about to make right now because today I'm going to be looking for a couple of pairs to get in for buying positions for GU, GA, and EURUSD. All going to be looking for buying positions. So before I get started, just make sure to click that like button down below. Go ahead and comment below as well for any questions that you have. And please make sure to click the link in the description or the link in my Instagram, depending if you're on YouTube or Instagram watching this video, so that we could be part of my live trading sessions and take these live trades alongside with me. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So today, I'm just going to be looking at EURUSD. It's going to be the first pair I'm going to be going over with. As mentioned prior in the last session, in the last session, we did mention on the daily time frame, market had just came to mitigate real quick what is into our daily conventional past candle here. This is why we came into through this low, clearing out sell side liquidity on lower time frame, such as the 4-hour time frame. Which if we look at the 4-hour, we had sell side liquidity in this area, which is this distribution phase, where market had came down to clear out. After that, when market came to around 50% of our conventional past candle that we had in our daily time frame. After that, we came into our 1-hour time frame, and on the 1-hour time frame, all we were waiting for is for market to come and fill in what is our imbalance area that we have right here. Once we fill in this imbalance area, market's going to come and test into its accumulation our past candle that we left behind in the past, which is this last bearish candle before the push to the upside. As you guys can see, currently right now, market's creating some sort of sell side liquidity here, which is the distribution phase coming in sideways. So what I'm expecting for market to do at this moment is to come down, clear out the sell side liquidity that we have left here, to come and test into our accumulation our past candle that we have right here on the 1-hour time frame. And once we test that, I mean, would also be completing our imbalance area to be filled in. Once that is filled in, I expect to market boom to the upside. Currently, we have a stop loss of 23 pips, which our stop loss around 10 to 15 pips below accumulation our past candle, as we always do to any pair. And our take profit, we do have our take profit right above this high, which is our daily high to be clear out, and also the sell side, the buy side liquidity that we left right here. But our raw take profit, we do have it all the way up here to come and clear out this overbought area that we left behind. As you can see, it was an overbought area. So therefore, market was overbought. We have stop losses being accumulated where they have to be liquidated. So once that happens, we should expect market to drop after that. So currently right now, I'm just waiting for EURUSD to be activated. This should definitely be activated by tonight. One of the other pairs that I'm going to be looking at is GA. GA, I'm currently looking for re-entries for buys. Last night, we did get in for a buy with all my Pit Perfect students. We got in for a buy down here. The reason why is because we did come and analyze down the daily time frame. Coming to the daily time frame, I had mentioned the market had clear out sell side liquidity. Once we clear out sell side liquidity, market's going to look to clear out what? Buy side liquidity, which we currently did. Market clear out buy side liquidity, creating the retracement down to come and test into our most recent accumulation our price candle that we have right here. So simply what we did, we came into a lower time frame, such as the 4-hour and 1-hour, which currently right now in the 4-hour time frame, I'm just looking for a retracement to get rejected and now start going to the upside. Why? Because we had currently cleared this old high. So every time that we clear an old high, market is going to do a correction. It's going to retrace down, so that way we could push on higher there down the road, which we are currently right now in the 1-hour time frame. Which if on the 1-hour time frame, you mark our fib from our re-entry price from the start of the impulse, which was from this candle all the way up here, which is the end of the impulse. Currently, we can see how market came into that 7.9 discounted price, which got perfectly rejected, which also in our 15-minute time frame, that was our 15-minute accumulation our price candle that we have right here. Let me show you guys real quick, which is our 15-minute accumulation our price candle here, which also came and filled in the empty imbalance. So currently right now, we did take this trade for this re-entry for a buy with all my Pit Perfect students inside my live trading session. And as you can see, instant profits. We got maybe around 2 pips drawdown, but overall, we did come into profits instantly. And our take profit overall, we do have it on our old high from the 1-hour time frame, which is right at 222 pips, just risking 27 pips. So this is a great risk-reward ratio. Other than that, another pair that we have been trading is GU. GU, we got in for an entry down here, which we are currently floating right now around 100. Around 80 pips floating. And last night I had mentioned that we did place a buy limit in this area, which we were waiting for market to come and test into our commission price candle, which would also come and fill in this imbalance area. And we did activate our buy limit. I did go ahead and delete it. I did it by accident, but I believe our buy limit was right here. We had around 3 pips drawdown. Our stop loss, we did have a stop loss right here, which was this blue line at 25 pips. And our take profit, we do have it at this high up here, which is at 208 pips. And currently right now from our second entry, we are floating 30 pips. Other pairs that I trade was UCJPY. UCJPY, unfortunately, we did hit stop loss. We did hit stop loss of 18 pips, but no worries because all the trades that we've been taking so on have been going to instant profits, and GU has been making those profits in return from that 18 pip loss. And we already did secure profits here at 100 pips. And for our first entry, we did currently secure profits with my students right now at 33 pips, and all trades are running break even. So with that being said, I mean, those are the only pairs I'm going to be looking out for tonight. Other than that, I'll see you guys in my next live session, or if you guys do join Pittsburgh Club, I'll see you guys in my live session. If not, I'll see you guys in the next YouTube video. And everybody have a great night and happy trading to y'all.